Hello guys, so today I have a very special unboxing. A Dayan Zhanchi version 5 Stickerless. So this is the box it came in. There was like, oh, can't see my information on the back. So I've waited for this for about a month and I haven't solved 3x3 for a month. So let's see how it feels and if I still remember. So finally this thing came. This 2x2 came so fast. Okay, so something's wrong. Oh, no, I can't see that. Something's happening, right? Can't I even... Alright, here we go. So here's the box, and let me just do something really quick. I'm sorry guys, just one sec. Yeah, whatever, let me just open it, so. And here we have the other side. So nothing else, just an empty little box. So then we have bubble wrap. This is actually pretty small. Oh, it's okay, it's good size. So here's this 3-layer magic cube. So here's the box. Here's a better look at the guy. If you guys are interested, let it just focus. So here's a guy and a bird. I have no idea what that says. I'm sorry. So yeah, that's. I see people doing it from the bottom. So let's. Okay, actually, I don't even know how to open this. It's just like any other box, right? I don't want to rip this. Okay, hold on. Let's figure this out. Ow. Okay. Come on. Be like any other box. Don't rip on me. Come on. Come on, this is taking so long. People are not gonna watch this because of this. Okay, how do you open it from the bottom, huh? Oh wow, that's... Oh my god, okay. So let's just go ahead and open it from the bottom. Here it is. Okay. Oh, it's greasy. It feels really... Is this a Dayan? No, I'm not completely sure if this is a legit one. It looks fake. This looks... Okay, look at this. Ready? Look at the centers. I swear, if these people scammed me, I'm gonna like get a whole police. So please, someone tell me this is a scam. I hope it's not. It doesn't. The corner cut's really good. So it just. So I hope this is like the real deal. Dayan, I don't know why like the edges look so weird. Maybe they're supposed to be like that. I think this is the real. Yeah. Okay. Let's figure it out for real. Let's go ahead and pop a piece out. Oh god, this is hard. Why is this so hard? Come on. Oh my god. Let me just. Come on. What? So as you can see, all the pieces exploded. So here's an edge piece, and here's a corner piece. So yeah, I do think this is real. Never mind, guys. I'm sorry if I, yeah, whatever. Okay, so let's put everything back. Oh my god, what if I like don't know how to put this back? Okay, hold on. Let's, this should go right here like this. How do you put corners in? I don't know, I'm so confused. I never used this before. Ever. So I'm sure everyone has a first time, you know. Oh, how do you, what does this go? Okay guys, so I think I just screwed this up. I'm sorry if you can't see anything. How does this, okay, I'm never gonna take this apart again. I don't even know how to put this back. So I think I'm fucked. Oh are you serious? And I can't pause the video. It's like no pause. I don't want to break this. I don't know how you do this. This seems so complicated. How do you do this? What? Oh no, did I break this? Here, let me just record. Oh. Yeah, so basically this is a big screwed up mess, and I cannot pause the video, so you guys are gonna have to watch me, you know, like. Ah, no, why did I take it apart? Come on, first piece I actually get. Yeah, there we go. First piece I actually got in. Is that even in? Okay, now let's get the torpedo. Oh my god, this is such a waste. You guys just skip ahead, please. Skip ahead, go. How do you do this? Oh my god. Like, just skip ahead, guys. I have no idea. Ah, there. It's hard, man. Where's the other one gonna go? Oh. There. Okay. And I'm never taking this apart again. Well, I might, like, in the future when I actually know how to do this, but as for now, fuck. Okay. Alright, hold that. Alright. There. Oh. Okay, so let's just go and mix it up. As I said, I'm never taking it apart. Okay, so I think this is pretty mixed up. Okay, so I'm not gonna time myself. This is just for, you know, doing it. Okay. Oh, this is really weird, you know. Okay. Hi. It actually feels weird because yeah, I'm not used to these types of cubes. You know, this is really new for me. I gotta like get used to it, and I'm in a weird position right now to make you guys be able to see the footage. Why can't I not get one side? Come on, I know how to do this. I know I'm not that bad. Like I've solved it before. I've solved the Rubik's Cube. But I actually wonder if I can beat my record. Okay, so okay, then let's get white. Oh my god. Could you guys like not see any of that? I'm so sorry. This is gonna be a bad review. Okay, so let's see if I remember how to do this. Yeah, remember how to put edges. Oh no. Wait. What? Where's the other thing? There. Okay, so cha. What? And then you know, let me just do it. Let me just do this. And then if it's like this, what? What? There. What? Whatever. This is fun for me. I don't care if you guys don't like it. I'm probably such. You know what? This is the worst review ever, and you're probably not getting any information of this. But trust me, if you want to get a Dayan Zhanchi, just go ahead. It's a really good cube, and you will have fun with it. And I promise I will practice and I will get faster, so you don't. So you won't have to like see any of this crappy, not knowing how to solve it things. Come on. I know this. Think of this about a 2x2. Feels like that. Let's go like this. H. Oh, come on. I know this. Hold on. I have my little handy dandy how to do it list. So for H, where is H? Did that do anything? No. What? Okay, hold on. One sec, guys. I know I have it written down right here in this book. Here it is. It's even opened up. Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay. Are you? There we go. Alright. And then for this, it's like, did that do anything? Oh yeah, we're getting close. So, that took a long time. Well, no, this is a great cube, and should you get it, I recommend it. If you're a beginner like me, a sucky beginner. Well, probably none of you are sucky. But, it's a really great cube, and I recommend you guys get it. I'll definitely be getting faster at both of these. So yeah, great cubes. Whoa. Oh, it's not even attention properly. So, alright, well, thank you guys for watching. You definitely should get this cube. It is magnificent. Hey, you can see me here. And, yeah, longest review ever, worst review ever. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. As always, have a nice day.